Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Dear students, welcome to this course of real numbers. Right now, dear students, as in the preview, I have already told you that at the end of the session, I will give you some review about all the videos that I have made to upload on this course. Dear students, here near about with all the theory that have been mentioned in preview course of real numbers like Euclid division lemma, Euclid division algorithm, problems regarding that, problems on a HCF type, word problems, then decimal expansion, then fundamental theorem of arithmetic, application of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, proving rational and irrational, then about some 6 raised to n, 4 raised to n ends with 0 type level problems, then also some problems regarding with prime factorization and factorization, some problems regarding with Euclid division lemma application level problems. All these type of problems have been included in all the last 24 videos, 24 to 25 near about videos along with the theory. If you did understand, you can repeat, listen the concepts that I have taught. You please solve all the problems regarding NCERT and NCERT exemplar. All the difficult level problems also I have tried to solve over here. So dear students, as per whatever is possible from my side, I have given many things regarding this course to acquire all of the out of 6 marks in the upcoming your board level examination of CBSE. But as soon as due to your reviews and your need and again some suggestions from my known students of this course, I will update the course as it has been regularly needed. So here I am thankful to all the support material, all the staff, all the units that have helped me to give this particular wonderful course to you. I pray to the God that you must try hard, you listen the course repeatedly and get succeeded in your examination for the next upcoming pair of linear equation, two variables and polynomial level courses. I will upload the courses soon later on this. Thank you and have a nice day. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to this course of real numbers. I am Vaibhav sir. In the preview course, the previous video, you have learned about the flows that we are going to follow for this particular chapter, real numbers. In this video, we are going to learn about what is algorithm and what is lemma. Then we will learn about what includes division algorithm, what includes division lemma. We will be looking for it later. Now, if I talk about the algorithm, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps. An algorithm is a series means what? There are the continuous things. Series means the continuous things. Series of what? Continuous things of what? A well-defined steps. Not only steps, the steps should be well-defined. Means there should be a particular rule given to follow the things. Well-defined steps, which gives a procedure. Now, if we follow the well-defined steps, there will be a particular procedure, and that procedure is for solving a particular type of problem. Means, when we talk about Euclid's division algorithm and the problems regarding Euclid's division algorithm, you must understand that you should follow the Euclid's division algorithm to find a particular solution of the problems. Means, what problems you are going to find? You are going to find the HCF. Question: find HCF using Euclid's division algorithm. This question you are going to find. Means find HCF is a common. There will be a procedure in Euclid's division algorithm to how to find HCF. You will follow that procedure. Only the problems will be changed. Numbers will be changed, and according to the numbers, multiplication, division, whatever may be the operations, addition, subtraction, that will be changed. You just need to follow the Euclid division algorithm. So this is one type. If you remember, in preview course or in steps, we have mentioned after this the problems or examples based on Euclid division algorithm. Then we also mentioned the problems based on Euclid division lemma. What is lemma? Lemma is, it is a proven statement, means Euclid has given a statement. It is a proven statement which used for solving another type of pattern of problems. Means it is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Means some statements have been made. Some statements have been made. Now here, not only the numbers change, here the statements may be changed. That the pattern of the number 6q plus r and dash 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 are divisible by this, or odd numbers, or like this, the pattern of the squares, the pattern of the cubes, right? The problems will be there, and for that problems you need to do using Euclid division lemma. These problems will be solved by using Euclid division lemma. So this will be examples on Euclid division lemma. Example change, then the thinking level should be changed. Here your thinking level is important, ki what number you should have to use for the particular Euclid division lemma. See, we will learn about it in the next videos. Right now you need to know the concept regarding algorithm and lemma. Why it is important, what is algorithm, what is lemma, you should have to go by the definitions. In theory or in the particular attachments of the files, whatever I will be giving along with this course, I will give you the definitions regarding this. But this concept should be there completely, because in new pattern you will be having 10 MCQs and 10 single question, true false or single word questions. In these questions, the basic concepts regarding this are or have been asked. So you should have to know about the definition, about the concept, ki what is actually the algorithm, what is actually the lemma. So go through it, listen it 2-3 times, you will learn about it. For 1 mark, this concept is important. So go for this video again, and the theory will be provided along with the attachments that have been given along with the course. Thank you and have a nice day.